welcome back to the channel. This is how to fix Whirlpool oven E1F2 error code. So guys, this code usually means the touchpad or keyboard is not responding or the control board is not reading inputs correctly. So to fix this, turn off the oven at the circuit breaker or unplug it for 5 minutes and just simply restore the power and check if the error clears, and this simple reset can fix the issue. If it doesn't, you could just simply open the control panel and inspect the flat ribbon cable that connects the touchpad to the control board, and just simply reseat the cable or disconnect and reconnect it and make sure it's not bent, dirty, or corroded. Now, guys, if it's dirty, of course, just simply gently clean the ribbon contacts with a soft pencil eraser or electronic contact cleaner. Now, if the error persists, the touchpad membrane may be defect and you may need to call for a professional help. I hope this video helped you understand more. Thanks for watching.